So for our Tinghun ceremony, I'll just give you a quick second look of our backdrop. Basically, we just need some floor treatment. Maybe like an area rag na medyo reddish tone, like this one. So Tinghun, they have like parang mga gifts that they're gonna put in front. So you need an ample space in front from for the tables and for the gifts. Happiness sign, like maybe smack here in the middle. So we have our first look, which is a Chinese engagement or Tinghun ceremony. So we just added some, nice floral carpet, and then the Sanghi, double happiness, and then some geometrical stool that they can put your gifts. So this is our first look. For the second look, we will create something more of a resort, loungy feel. So I have here some ottoman, and added additional smaller ottoman here. And we're gonna spruce it a bit with using your rattan lamps on the floor, maybe somewhere here. So there you go, you have a second look, something loungy, resort feel that will also work with your geometric backdrop. Hope you like it. So there you go, we have the two looks, and the third look naman is something dramatic. Like I told you, this is like Gatsby Art Deco feel. So we'll do something romantic. So first we layered it with a nice, bluish royal blue carpet, and then we're gonna add this emerald green sofa. Maybe here in one side like that. So this is kind of more bachelor or more masculine in a way. And then we're gonna add some side tables here. And then for a vintage look, we're gonna add some nice candle holders. So there you go, something vintage or Gatsby feel. So there you have it, our three looks with just one backdrop. We created something for Chinese engagement, something resort feel, and lastly the Gatsby or the vintage inspired look on the same backdrop. So I hope you got inspired with our setup for today, and please let me know what other topics you want me to discuss. And thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my YouTube account. And I'll see you next week for another Teddy Manuel experience. Thank you so much. Bye.